Learn English. Hello. Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. Today's game is adverb idioms. In our program, we call them advids. This game is for all levels. It will start easy and then get more difficult. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. This one is similar to Bob gets up early all the time. Every day. Bob gets up early every day. The basic form is to do something every day. When will she play tennis? Tomorrow afternoon. She'll play tennis tomorrow afternoon. The basic form is to do something tomorrow afternoon. Wow, that swimming pool is nice. We can use it. This means we don't have to pay any money. And both words begin with the same letter. We can use it for free. Why is Bob walking? It means this way, turn around this way, turn around that way, like that. Back and forth. Why is Bob walking back and forth? They love each other. This means they love each other very much. An awful lot. An awful lot. To do something an awful lot equals very much, quite often. Jennifer's going to live in New York. Kind of like forever, but not exactly. From now on. To do something from now on means beginning now and going into the future, indefinitely. We're not sure how long. A brand new television costs $100. This means that the minimum is $100, so it might be $110 or $120. At least. A brand new television costs at least $100. To do something, at least. This has more meanings also, so please check your dictionary and read the whole thing. He doesn't want to marry her. She is rich. She has lots of money. This means despite the fact that. Even though. Very important in spoken English. Please check your dictionaries. When did Bob go there? Bob went there quite a long time ago. You can also say Bob went there a long time ago. That bus was packed. That means crowded. We should have taken a taxi. This means looking back. In hindsight. Bye-bye.